have new bungees for the Bellicon, and I am super excited because after 6 years, we are changing up our bungees. We'll come in a little closer so that you can see. And I'm just really excited to change out my bungee, and I just want to show you how we change out bungees on the Bellicon. If you're not familiar, I am a Bellicon instructor, basic level, and I have been certified since 2019. And as you can see on this Bellicon, that they have clips. So the clips are going to let you know what strength of a bungee that you are getting. So at the time I wanted more resistance, so I got the yellow clip, which is a stronger strength. There are 5 different strengths. So you have soft, that comes with a silver clip. We have medium, that comes with a blue clip. Strong, that comes with a yellow clip. Extra strong comes with a red clip, and ultra strong comes with a green clip. So I have loved the strength of the strong, but I decided that I think I wanted to give the medium bungee, which has the blue clip, a try. Open these up, lay them all out, change them out. I think what I'm gonna do is that I plan to do every other colors. When you have the size Bellicon that I have, which happens to be a 39-inch, it takes 30 bungees. So you can get 3 different sizes, and you can definitely look that up in my bio and on my website, because I am a partner as well as an instructor. I have not taken these off in 6 years. I've always rotated them, and there's an instruction on how to rotate them. So every few months you do want to turn them to give them like a different position so that they don't wear and tear. But y'all, I've had these for 6 years and they look brand new. We will start here and work our way around. Like I said, I've never taken these off. They're very strong. You start here under the bottom side and then bring it up. So I would like to match this and make sure it's about the same, you know. That'll help me like stay accountable. So you would clip this underneath, bring it under the mat, and then around and over, and voila. So yeah, this is gonna take some time, so be very careful if you have on nails or anything like that. You don't want to hurt yourself. I feel like this is the best way to do it and a guide for myself personally. So you clip under there, go under, make sure it's secure. You really got to put some muscle into it. Clip it on. The reason why I don't want to release all of them at the same time is that I don't want to lose the mat being in the center. That's one thing that you do have to keep in mind, is if you release this, you would probably more than likely have the mat off center. So this is just when you are replacing bungees. When you get brand new mat from the start and you have to include and add this from scratch, you'll have to try to line everything up first. You'll line the mat up, line your bungees up, and then try to keep it in the center. But I think doing it this way will keep my mat in the center. So that's why I'm doing it one by one. How y'all think I'm doing so far? To me, I think I'm gonna be really happy with the end result. We are getting there, you guys. Oh, woo. Your hands do get tired, you guys. 2 more to go. One more. Oops. Gotta have it on the bottom. Okay, let's look at her. We have a brand new, almost brand new Bellicon. This is the facelift on her. She just looks really good. I'm super excited. She just looks so like fresh and new. I truly do love what I'm seeing, so I couldn't be more excited about it. She low-key kind of matches the couch. It's just very pretty, more a little bit muted, but still very attractive. I just love the new bungees. Let's see how we feel, like the strength of it. It feels good. They're all intact. I'd highly recommend you make sure that they're all intact before you just get on it. But oh gosh, I'm liking the strength against my joints. I would like to let you know that since June 23rd, 2025, Bellicon has been having a 10% off sale on all their different products, even up to 20% on different bundles. So this sale goes on till July the 7th of 2025 at the time of this video. But also I would like to throw out there, if anyone is interested in bartering, or you want to change your strength of bungees and you would like the strong with the yellow clip, I would more than gladly sell these to you at a fraction of the price and just give you a great deal, or whatever you would like to, you know, talk about, maybe possibly getting a deal on these, and just, you know, gently use. They're still in amazing shape even after all this time. You guys, I took really good care of them. I rotated them ever so often. Brand and why I love it so much. But everything will be linked either in my bio or in my description, depending on what social platform you are viewing this on. But I love y'all so much, and I hope you enjoy spending a little time with me and upgrading my Bellicon. Love y'all, bye.